Right, I've got to go and find a pointing stick. Got this on the head mount. I don't know where my sticks are gone. I'm not going to touch those anyway. What I'll do, when I come back here again, when I've got more time, like more than one day. Fuck. Got a bit of debris in my shoe. Well, I need a pointing stick to mark out the poo hole. That'll do. That was my lantern stick. And my shoelace is kind of done. I'll do these up fully soon. I just need to put my contacts in. Got this on today then. Yeah. What I like about this, it's got an irrigation there. And it's slightly uplifted, so when it's raining, you're not going to have a swamp underneath your tent. Right, tripod. Right, need to go and find a poo hole. So, I've used many poo holes here. So I'm going to go and venture over, not too far away from camp. Over there. I don't think we pooed over there. This might be a bit soft here actually. Well, here. That feels a bit soft. Alright. So, what we need I need some leaves. I'll just use a bit of grass. So what you need to make a hole is dig tool, which is by Vargo, gloves, this is sharp. Alright, I'll see you in the next bit because I'm going to be filming with 2 cameras. So catch you in a bit, guys. I've picked a different location. Where I was going to go for poo, it's on an actual deer run. So here we do. It's a little bit soft. So point your stick there, there, there. Alright guys, let me set up the camera. Alright guys, I'm gonna do the hole here. So gloves. Vargo dig tool. So, thing about woodlands, it's full of roots. So, like that. this is what you're going to use to cover it over. Alright, that's the problem. Let's try to get past the roots, save me some work. Alright, now, just like a spade, there's a bit of a root there. If you're going to go for poo, make a cat hole. Come on, you fucking bastard. No. That's it. Big old root there. Let's put that over there. Something here stopping me from, yeah, there's a root there. Come on, I can lift that up and put it in. There we go. It's a bit more difficult when I dig a fire pit. I've already got pre-cut fire pits because of the roots, so that's deep enough. Right. Okay. That's done. Let's get a bit of moss. Well, there's no moss here. Oh, there's a bit of moss here. There you go. This is made out of titanium. There you go, mate. Mark it. And then I can see it from over where the tent is, so there we go, so I can find it. There's your poo hole, guys. So what you do, I'll demonstrate a bit further away. So let's put it a little bit further away, the camera. Okay. So, what you do, I'll keep my pants on. What you do, get a stick if you want. You can use a pointy stick to hold on to. So, poo, yeah, finish your poo, toilet paper, wipe. I tend to put my toilet paper in there. Alright, then I'll cover it off, put the dirt, and then put the debris, done. The toilet, don't put wet wipes down there though, so it will not biodegrade. So there you go, there is a cat hole. Thank you very much, guys. Bye bye.